All right, so if you want to find any setting fast on your Windows 11 computer, here's a couple of tricks for that. The global search feature is probably the best way to go about this. You can trigger it two ways. Just tap the Windows key on your keyboard, which opens the start menu with search built right in, or press Windows key plus S, which jumps straight to that same search without showing the start menu first. Either way works identically. Just type what you're looking for. So let's say I want to find a setting for brightness. I'll tap the Windows key, type brightness, hit enter, and it takes me directly to the menu that has my brightness setting. Or I'll hit the Windows key again and say I want to change my PIN. I'll type PIN, and there's Setup PIN Sign In. Hit enter again, and it goes right into the menu where I can set up a PIN. So Windows key, type what you're looking for, super fast way to find it. And lastly, Windows key plus X opens up this kind of power user menu. This has a lot of the administrative shortcuts like Task Manager, Terminal, Network Connections, Power Options, things like that. Another handy little shortcut. So one of those should usually get you to whatever setting you need, and you're guaranteed to get there fast. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all.